Hello again everyone and welcome back to the Weather Centre. A cold front making its way up the east coast of the country today brought very windy weather to parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coastline, while further inland it was a hot day for many places, especially in the northern parts of the country, and there were also a few isolated thunder showers over Limpopo and Mpumalanga. For tomorrow, a high pressure system ridges up the east coast. That's going to bring much cooler conditions to the Lowveld and the eastern escarpment, where it's going to be mostly cloudy and there'll also be light rain in places. Some of that moisture will spill over onto the Highveld, and that will help to bring a few thunder showers to some areas in Gauteng as well as the northwest. Along with the likelihood of thunderstorms in the area, there is a possibility that some of those thunder showers could become severe within the area indicated. This includes parts of the northwest Gauteng and southwestern Limpopo, where there could be large hail and damaging winds, with some of the thunderstorms within the area indicated. Good news is that winds are going to be lighter along the east coast of the country for your Tuesday afternoon, but still another windy day expected for Cape Town and the surrounding areas. Your detailed provincial forecast for the day of Goodwill indicating sunny and hot weather continuing all across the Northern Cape, while Alexander Bay will be comfortable with a high of 28 degrees. It's going to be a much warmer day for some areas in the Western Cape, in particular for the interior, where temperatures will climb above the 30-degree mark. And a lovely day lies ahead for the south coast. George, 23 is your maximum temperature. Port Elizabeth will be partly cloudy, but we don't expect any rainfall. It will also be dry for the rest of the Eastern Cape. Temperatures generally getting into the mid-20s for the province. And for KwaZulu-Natal, we see it's going to be cloudy at first, but later on things will start to clear up, and there could also be some light morning rain in places, especially in the far northern parts. In Mpumalanga, expecting a big drop in temperature, especially for the Lowveld. Skukuza now reaching a maximum temperature of only 24 degrees, and similar conditions expected for the eastern parts of Limpopo, while further westwards there's a possibility for a few thunder showers. Thunderstorms returning to the northwest, mostly over the eastern parts of this province, where Rustenburg and Ventersdorp both reach a high of 30. And for the Free State, most of this area is going to be dry once again, except in the extreme northern parts of the province, where there is a possibility for thunder showers. And finally, for Gauteng, a 60% chance of storms over this area. It's going to be a much cooler day with temperatures in the upper 20s, and we also expect thicker cloud for the province. On Wednesday, thunder showers will extend into the Free State, including Bloemfontein, while temperatures continue to rise in the Northern Cape, Uppington at 42 degrees. And Thursday brings very similar conditions to South Africa, with a few thunder showers in KZN. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.